off these loans a couple of years.
We had an argument over our backyard last night. Did I tell you that? We argued all the way to your house on the theme of the backyard.
And
They were having it out
He
at
wants
their house.
Texas Longhorn
Quite a
backyard
ways
because
off.
he doesn't have
We
anywhere
had a
else to put
dance
his
floor up.
crap.
That had a
I've already bought something.
professional dance floor.
I'll
My
have to
dad
show you
was
what I bought for my
shop didn't have
backyard.
shop.
yeah, you told me about the flamingo.
Oh, it's so
Went out and set it
adorable.
off after dark and everything. Nobody was expecting it. It's pretty awesome. We did it out here one time after dark. And because you could see the fire and everything.
At least there's a breeze.
Yeah, I know.
I'm serious.
Yeah.
Vanessa's looking at me like, are you joking?
You're come swimming in
Is
that.
it like 100?
Yeah.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Can you count and push the button?
Been doing it since I was 3.
There's always been a slight delay between blast off and when it actually blasts off, though.
You want to start talking?
I ain't scared of you.
11 years old.
Should come with their RN needles.
Okay.
Anybody can start counting?
5, 4, 3, 2,